Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screen rotation not working on Redmi Note 14S. Let's begin. Now, it's important to note that most of the devices have option for enabling or disabling auto rotation. This phone, however, has a different method of doing that. It's somewhat similar, but still there are some differences. So, first of all, we want to expand our control center. And here we get a bunch of icons. It's okay that you don't know what icons do exactly, and even I didn't really know that. And if you do want to know what icons are responsible for what, you can always just go to Edit. And as you can see here, we have the button for locking our orientation. If we scroll down, we'll see that there aren't any other orientation related buttons, so we are left with that. And whenever you click this button, it basically makes it so your screen will be forever stuck in the portrait mode. No matter what you do, no matter what application will you open, it will try to stay in the portrait mode unless you open some sort of game or like other application, and that is required to run in the landscape mode. So if your auto rotation isn't working, you want to basically make sure if you didn't check it accidentally. And if you're only having trouble in certain application, you can just always go to that settings application, to that app's settings, and in the app settings you want to check orientation mode and if it's locked or not, because some applications actually support both modes, the portrait and the landscape mode. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.